It's like your memory gone out your heavens, youth. It's like you don't have no memory at all. Because when time you are left Gaza, I look upon you and I say, brother, don't left Gaza. Hold it. You say, no, you're cut. And I see him think me did vex. First of all, and you go up on here, say you go this cartel and I say, don't this man, brother. And you go hold up your laptop and say, you studio this now. It's like you don't have no memory, youth. And I still say, yo, brother, you're teaching enough, you have nothing. And you say, yo, teach at this year and take away your equipment them. And I say, yo, I call the DJ and I say, G, you have to run Black Not Nice thing them, because Not Nice a family, a Europe man a forward from too. And do that, you see me? Now I like see your man a beg no friend for no man youth. I want to you. You see me? But me have to make it people them know say out. Them boy are some priests them. That me I tell you. Them not like see me I win. Anytime me I go up higher them vex. Even man where I say, you fear win. When me I go up higher them vex. Like say yo, them want change up your vision now. You see me? Yeah. Anyhow. I go so boom now. Him say yo. Him a left Gaza. I say fine. After that, all long now. This bomb buckler man ya. Dead, nobody now voice him. I'm going to go do a tune, a girl tune. You see me? A tune here, it's too bad. I remember the day when Liquid I played that tune, the Liquid I say, yo, papi, you're really youth, because I love how you're going to give Not Nice strength again. And from that, I never stop give you strength, youth. I forward and do much in it. It's after that for youth. I forward and say, we still out. I forward and say, bomb buckler, overdo it. All of them sitting there, youth. You see me? Ton load of hits man still forward and gear youth. Where they me I do Vanquish, me drive forward their yard and link and say, brother, me I do a project in a bad man. And you say, I can't put out project and Not Nice to depend it. And I say, you play some rhythm. And I play rhythm and I say, roll them girl like Black Dice, like Drizzy, we have Mob Ties. You see me? So me know when you go on like you want, feel like you can style it thing in a bad man, you look nerd bum buckler glass in a youth. Because me not even a follow on up in a dog. You see me? Me not have to do nothing for look no attention from none of you, because you can't do nothing for me, dog. You see me, I'm in Emmanuel boss, brother. Worldwide youth. And the only thing I know some look local thing and corner thing. And the only thing a worldwide bomb buckler thing. I want to know that, because I want to go around the world with me, I want to see it for myself. So nobody go on like you know an idiot. You talk about me vexed man for no sign for Unruly. I'm vexed man for no sign for Unruly. I think I love man youth. Fuck there, boy. You a talk about you speak facts. You speak be a trash youth. You a tell people about how much me vexed man for the Unruly camp. Me not love man youth. Me I give man strength. When me forward and say yo, Unruly camp. Boy they pan the freezer chill like beach. Quadra them not even know them that go sing say. And me just stay out. See line there, wanna sing them there. You see me? Tune already, layout already. Nobody ramp with me thing youth. Why would I take up artists and I carry them and playing with me when I sign to Unruly? A pussy do them thing there? If me did I run down money and I run down this and that, would I take up man and I give them so much strength? And make them a rep Unruly? And me know if a fact say them is not signed to my label. Brother, I don't feel like you can't twist nothing here so bad, man. I'm to you. I don't tell you already, you know, dog. I don't tell you already, brother. If you not deal with 100 and realness, me not depend, brother. Cause first thing, the reason why I make evil me and you reach panel levels of youth, because me and you got England. And if you wish to speak the truth, you wish to speak the truth, you have to tell the bomb buckler people them this. Me and you go London, my first tour, you did a play round Blood Clot Sound. And that is a tour me keep off of my own. You see me? It's not like a promoter book me and me do that, me and Mini them, you see me? Big up Mini. Big up London. My town. Anyhow, I stay so boom here now. Me and him mash up the world and thing. We forward at Jamaica. Normally when I will get book for sure, I just go so boom, run money per man, cause promoter done book show already. You see me? No. I not do that. Because it was a different thing. It was a case where me keep the thing off of my own, so the money not go forward in as quick as how it would afford in when a promoter book me. The man for the Jamaica and start stay wide. I pre me for money, dog. When I tell the people them that, say that first you start pre me for. And when me call you, I say, oh, link up I studio, nah link me. And a different man if you tell me, say, that make you not link me because you say, man, you got London and you London, me no give you money. Brother, I saw no move youth. Money is not all in a killie. Money is not all. You say me no show respect. Who show respect like Popcorn? To all the elderly artists, them youth. Wanna do it like me? Them I say, when people are talk about, oh, me in a Gaza and cartel, me sell out cartel and re. You ever see me gonna go this cartel yet? You ever see me do that yet? You know see man still show cartel respect. Because him do a thing for me what me can't ever forget. Him give me that start there. When no matter what cartel say about me or what you want to say, I'm a G, I'm a general. Me never ever forget. You see me? Me never ever forget what you do for me. Our thing on a money thing, cartel, I'm a family, I'm a G. Because you look for me when me never have nothing to say, youth, forward. Go on up the ladder too. You see me? So me no want a man feel that them can style me thing with them look at 5 bills bomb buckler itself. Oh, I'm to you. Pussy wipe off your lens them off your glass, man, and see life clearer and clean up your heart. I'm to you. Ramp with me, youth. Vybz Kartel can tell people say, and me I mean in a loyalty, brother. I'm to you. On how much in people try this cartel. Everybody where him help. Try this him. And go try tarnish his name on internet and social media. Popcorn never do that yet. I just big up cartel youth. Cause what him do, it can't change. What him set, it can't change. I eat this now. When they look on Popcorn, you see say your cartel give a youth they push and he make use of it. He never did run and try sell out cartel and about, oh cartel now do this and do that youth. Me, I last artist about Spanish Gaza Block. And me wait, me humble. And wait till my time reach, brother. Me never try skip a line once yet in a bomb buckler music, you know. Like some pussy, you know. Oh, me hold my own, brother. Me fight that fight in a music, you know. For reach me there. You know that too not nice. Pussy. You know the fight me get in a music. I'm still there. And you a try to add to the fight too. Oh no man. More no fight I stronger me get. You know see. Look on bomb buckler roof. You can't stop me ever youth. No care when you go run and susu no look up batty man mouth. You feel like you can't stop Popcorn. Me unstoppable brother. When me fought from a 4 mile me used to walk to school every day. Feel like man thing at some look up make up story. Every day me used to walk 4 miles to school. And my real dogs them know that. I'm tell you. Feel like no boy can tell me about struggles or sufferation pussy. Me know that for myself, dog. When me forward from DV, internet now they all know. Oh, I'm too no. Me fight the fight and forward out strong. I'm blood clot real people them proud of me. Cause them see say Popcorn is a youth. Him no try skip no line. In a music. Popcorn, hold it. No matter what they say about me, me there see him with pussy. And I can't move. I can't move, brother. How not gonna move me? Me sing about vision till me go in my dream, brother. I start live my dream and some man vex. You feel like my first car was a Beamer or blood clot Benz. My first car was a Honda youth, was a Honda Accord. You see me? And me never did pre no man Benz or them Beamer with them have, brother. Nah, bad man. I hold my own hungry until me buy my first Beamer. Brother, big up yourself, you know. Full force, you know, youth. Yeah, I always hold it in a music. I never try to skip a line once yet. No matter what I go on. I hold it. Protege. More life, my brother.